home studio? Come on, let's go. So this is my home studio. It's just in our guest room, and we set up my piano right here so that I can play as much as I can for you guys. I have next to me my hand lotion because I'm washing my hands so much that they're getting dry. I have a stand here where I put my phone in order to have the Zoom and FaceTime meetings with you guys. And as you can see, I have two little guys here helping me out, Batman and Jane. And on top of that, they are set on top of my diploma. You can see that I have a lot of paintings back here as well, where I store everything. I have my book that I write in so that when you guys are singing, when everybody's singing for me, I get to take little notes and then we can talk about it afterwards. I have my cool little schedule here. So I've been writing down all of my lessons and everything that I need to do for you guys for the next lesson. You get to meet some of my little boys and girls. So Charlie's the crazy dog over here, and then you have Lucifer, who's my black cat, and then you have Pammy, who is she is a tortie, a brown and black cat as well, and they're usually sleeping on the bed while you guys are singing for me. I have a bookshelf here with all of my music books and some history of opera, some aspects of different composers. But yeah, it's nice having you guys here, and I'm excited to continue to teach you, even virtually. It's great to still continue to have this meeting every week. So I'm excited to see you guys here in my new home studio. I'll see you next time.
Say bye, guys. Bye.